Bonjour, mes chers étudiants, êtes-vous prêts à apprendre le français?
What does it mean?
What does it mean, ma'am?
It means good morning, my dear students. Are you ready to learn French?
Oh, it sounds interesting.
Yes, it is.
Let's begin with the alphabet.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you note down alphabet and listen to me carefully for pronunciation. Let's take a look. Students, now we shall learn French alphabet. See, the formation of letters is the same, but the pronunciation of some letters is different. Now listen to me carefully. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G. So J becomes G and G becomes J. K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. Now see, the pronunciation of FLMNO is same and the pronunciation of B, C, D, P, T, V, all the E sounds become A, like be, say, they. I hope you understood the concept.
Yes, ma'am. It was an easy concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, students, homework for today is to revise alphabet.
Okay, ma'am.